What it do, everybody? Welcome back to Kurt's. Quick little recipe today, ranch dressing. Let's just do it. All right, to make your own ranch dressing, you're gonna start out with 1 cup of mayonnaise, half a cup of sour cream, a splash or maybe a 1/4 cup of preferably homemade buttermilk, 1 or 2 drops of Worcestershire sauce, and then some dry seasonings. Half a teaspoon of dried chives, half a teaspoon of chopped parsley, half a teaspoon of dried dillweed, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Actually, I think those are reversed, but 1/8 of a teaspoon of pepper and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt into your concoction. So yeah, this is our semi-finished product. We're gonna let this sit in the fridge for about 4 hours and let those flavors develop into our finished product. I like to store this in a mason jar, long term. Bomb.com. That's all she wrote. Thank you. Please come again.